Good day, family. So today we have a treat. We're in Beverly Hills. We're looking at, we're going to walk through a monster system here at a townhouse complex in Beverly Hills. So this is one system that runs the whole townhouse complex, complete with a pool house and gym. One of the reasons why I brought this system to you, which we installed at least over a year ago, is because I want you guys to understand how much we can run on a solar system. And this is just a small example because we can actually go bigger, as big as you want to go. We can go there, right? But this will give you an idea of how much you can run on a solar system. So I want you to understand by showing you this thing. So, so you can know, you can visualize in your head, say, boy, yes. This big, we have this big house, I'm in Beverly Hills, and if you're having trouble with your solar system, you can see that maybe it's because you need probably a system like this one instead. So join me. I think you're going to enjoy this one. All right, so here we are in the power room. So I guess the first thing I should mention, because this is the elephant in the room, is this big battery rack behind me. We have 80 of the essential maintenance-free batteries here. Yeah, I like it. I like it very much. I like to showcase this whenever we look at our battery banks. Well, as you can see, we have a room here. We have 80 batteries in here, and it basically just taking up one little side of the room. We go all the way up to the roof. So keep that in mind. Anywhere in your house, we can hold a whole heap of batteries, and it doesn't take up the whole room. We just go up to the roof. No biggie. I like to point out, if you could take a look at these terminals, there is no corrosion on these terminals. Very important to point out, because these are essential maintenance-free batteries. That's what you get. Zero corrosion. If you look over here now, I'm leaning up on the 30 kilowatt monster inverter. I would like to point out that this inverter, for those who know about solar systems, a lot of times you're supplying a lot of power, and what you have is a bunch of inverters screw up on the wall with a whole heap of wire all over the place, a spider web of wires. As you note here, you probably can't even see a wire. Our thing we do it real neat. You can drop this anywhere where you're willing to deal with the little background noise, because this is a power monster. So you're going to have the fans running. Aesthetically, it's real nice. This is our big charge controller. All 120 solar panels are connected to this little boy here. So it's not so little. It's a machine. I'm very proud of this system. As promised, we're going to go through and we're going to look at all the equipment that they run in this place. And maybe, as I show you the AC, then maybe you can start counting with me. I don't want to miscount. So maybe you could share in the comments how many ACs you counted in this property. Alright, so we have an AC here, another AC here, another AC, another AC, we have another AC. So we have another AC unit, another AC. AC over here, another AC over here, another AC over here, another AC, another AC, another AC, another AC. have this car charger here. I think I should show you guys this. So the owner has an electric vehicle. You take it out and you just plug it in at night and drive away. You don't got to buy no gas. Every night you plug it in and you drive away the next morning. This right here, people, is the future. It is the present. Well, thanks for joining me on the roof. This is a nice place to be. I mean, just look behind me. So here we have some of the 120 solar panels connected to the system, to our one unit downstairs. Each panel pushes a maximum of 350 watts. For those who don't like to do the maths, I guess there's a simpler way to think of it. Just count the ACs them and look at the property, and you can say whether or not you can have an idea of the amount of power that these panels are bringing in. Since we're here on the roof, I want you to note that there are 5 townhomes, and this one system is powering all 5 townhomes, well, and the pool house / gym. Here in Beverly Hills, I notice that we have some neighbors here with some solar systems installed, solar panels on their roofs, and it just brought to mind, I remember I saw a world-renowned athlete complain about his JPS bill, even though he had solar, which had me scratching my head. Tell me in the comments if you know which athlete I'm thinking of, and if you think we probably could help. If you know anybody in need of a solar system, you could call the number on the screen or check out our website. This system happens to be the 30K diamond system. Alright friends, that wraps up our little walkthrough of our monster system. Until next time, see ya.